Hello, my friends, fellow entrepreneurs, and email marketers. Right, so if you have watched my last video, you will have seen that I, excuse me, paused the traffic on Traffic Zest to the current offer. Now, I don't recommend that you do this, and remember, this is a case study, okay? I could be running, and if I was running traffic on Traffic Zest without recording it, I would be running it at an accelerated pace, which you can, of course, do. But the whole point of this is to give you an idea of how TrafficZest works and why it's such a cool platform. Okay, now that's it. Okay, so that's the main point of this. So don't think that when you're running traffic, you have to like have it over 5 days, 6 days, whatever. You can buy 1,000 clicks and have them in 48 hours through your funnel. Through your opt-in page to your offer, blah 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 blah, on into your follow-up. So I'm going to create a new campaign. Um, I'm going to create a new campaign. I could just go in and edit these, but I want to know what was going on with these. Like, I want to see how much I spent. I want to know the cost per click. So I have I've duplicated the exact same landing page. So the landing page, which is at the moment giving me a 87.3% opt-in rate, which is insane. Um, that's the same landing page that I am going to use. And like I said, it's the one that I got from this little report. Um, you know, buy it if you want, buy it if you don't, or don't buy it if you don't want to. So let's go in and we'll create a new campaign. All right, so campaign name. Now, I am going to call this, you know what, I don't even know the name of the product. I think it's like affiliate AI or something like that. So let's call it I think. I know it is by. Oh, let's put the date in. That usually helps. 22 slash oh 05 slash 24. It is 24. Yep. And I'll put an LL because the sales page that I'm using is by Luther Landro. Okay. Now I'm going to stick in here my destination URL, which is where I want people to go to. Just click it in here. Boom. Easy. Now I'm going to scroll down. Just leave this unless you want to schedule the traffic to go out at different times. I'm going to go down. I want in the make money online niche. Remember, you can still use this for weight loss or health, but we're in the make money online niche, or at least I am. Traffic providers. I am going to go with Jasdeep Singh again, okay? Because I know Jas's traffic is good and I know that it converts very well with this type of Warrior Plus products, because if you watch my previous videos you'll see that I spoke to Vita V, the owner of this campaign, and he recommended me 3 or 4 people: Jasdeep, Brad, Willard, and maybe somebody else. So those are the people I would stick with for Warrior Plus offers. Though with that being said, the other people might work just as well. But I'm going to stick with Jas for now. Countries, I'm going to go English tier 1 countries, except I'm going to remove Australia, I'm going to move Canada, I'm going to remove New Zealand, and I'm probably just going to remove the UK actually. I tend to think that people from the UK are a bit smarter, so I'm just going to remove them and keep my American cousins in there. Device types, desktop, only desktop. All right. Device operating system, it really does not matter. Keep empty for all operating systems. Traffic tags, we want email clicks, we want engaged clicks, maybe nurtured email clicks. That's what I had on the last campaign and seemed to work. So those are the 3 that I'm going for. In this, my CPC bid, my cost per click bid, is going to be $1.50. All right. Now my total budget, I can't remember what my total budget is just now. It's about $140 that I've got left. And my daily budget, I'm going to keep at, just for now, let's say 25. Okay, I'm going to keep it on smooth. Now I could do accelerated and it would burn through my budget every day, but I'm going to keep it on smooth because, like I keep saying, this is just a case study. Okay, if I was, I am running other traffic right now, but just not through Traffic Zest. And but I'm contacting people on Facebook, people I know. I'm buying traffic, I'm buying clicks, I'm sending them, yes, to the same landing page that I'm using for this. And I am using that traffic in basically the same way, except I am testing bridge pages. I am testing, different methods, but this is the fastest and quickest way that you can go. Landing page, people opt in, offer, follow up series. That's what we're doing. Okay. Now that's me set up everything, and I can just go. If I move my big head out of the way, you can see here. You just go to active, and then you click save campaign. Now remember, I can come in and change stuff if I want to. All right. So I'm going to click save campaign. Saved successfully. And you can see here, based on your current targeting, there are 47 clicks available per day at the cost of 84 to 90 cents per click. All right, that's good. Now, I would rather that I was paying, more for a click and a quality click than paying, 20 cents for crap, which is just a waste of money. Some people try to skimp on solo ads. That's the worst thing you can do. It's like, why would you do that? Why would you pay 20 cents and then you buy 500 clicks? Yeah, it's cheaper than 200 clicks or whatever at $1, $1.50. But are you going to make the same amount of money? I doubt it. You're just going to fill up your autoresponder with useless people. Okay. Now, very quickly, we're at 6 minutes. Okay. I want to make a whole new video about what kind of offer to promote. But for this, I'll just say that I did switch the offer out and I am using this offer here. Now this I'm going to explain in a new video, in another video, which I might stick below. If not, you can just go to my channel and check, subscribe, like, make a comment, and you'll see that these will all be under like Traffic Zest case study or solo ad case study or how to pick an offer for a solo ad, something like that. And I will break down why this is, in my opinion, the best offer for solo ads, or one of the best offers for solo ads that I've seen in a while. Okay, and I'll see you in that next video, guys. Thanks for watching.